Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be some DIY summer beauty. I'm going to be making a blood orange scrub, a natural deodorant, some sea spray for texturizing the hair, and then I'm making an antioxidant green tea toner mist, which is great when you put it in the refrigerator, especially in the hot summer months, for an after cleanser toner or a refresher throughout the hot day. So let's start first with a blood orange body scrub. This is a really simple scrub to make. I'm starting with granulated sugar. If you have brown sugar, you could use that as well. I'm gonna add some coconut oil. I'm gonna add some vanilla essential oil, and then, of course, the blood orange. I'm gonna squeeze the blood orange into the mixture that I already have. The exact measurements will be listed in the description, so you can find that there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give that a good mix. Now, I highly recommend putting this in the refrigerator. It will harden a little bit because of the coconut oil, but then you can just loosen it up when you get in the shower. And then you have a really nice cooling citrus scrub that's perfect for the summer months, and you can exfoliate your entire body with it. Next, I'm making a hair texturizing sea spray. Now, we actually just got a sea spray for the hair, a texturizing spray in my shop, but you can also make this. Not everybody likes to make their own beauty products, so that's where you can find it over at the shop, or other beauty shops have it as well. I'm making mine with Himalayan Pink Salt, which is really high in natural minerals. And what I'm doing here is just I have some warm water. I'm adding the pink salt to that and just letting it dissolve in that water first. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that in my bottle. I apologize ahead of time because I realized I couldn't find the top to this bottle after I filmed this. So I ended up transferring it to a smaller bottle, actually 2 smaller bottles, and I'm going to give one to my mom. I'm going to add a little bit of aloe vera and then 3 different essential oils. So I have lavender essential oil, and then I have our orange blend. So the lavender essential oil, I think I just got it like a Whole Foods. The orange blend is called Sunshine. We have that one in my shop right now. We're experimenting with a few different essential oils, and these ones are really nice. So I put that blend in there as well. I have a pretty good collection of essential oils at this point. I've tried out so many different ones, and now I'm testing out new ones to consider bringing in the shop. And I like these ones right now for diffusing, and so yeah, I use a combination, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour that into a smaller container like I said before. I actually have 2 that I'm pouring it into. And then you can go ahead and spray this into damp hair. And if you don't know, a sea spray for your hair is basically just for texturizing. So in the summer, if you want kind of that beachy, casual, wavy hair, this is what you put in your hair. You spray it in there while your hair is damp, and it's going to give you that texturizing look that you get with this type of thing. So anyway, test it out if you want to make it yourself, and hopefully you guys enjoy the recipe. Now I'm going to make a natural deodorant with pink Himalayan salt as well. So basically it's just water, salt, baking soda, witch hazel, and then essential oils. So the essential oils that I'm going to use for this, you could pretty much choose whichever ones you want. I'm going to go ahead and use the same blend that I did with the deodorant. So I have the Sunshine, which is like an orange citrus blend, and then I have lavender, and then I have lemon. So I'm gonna mix those all together and then shake it up really, really good. And then you can go ahead and just spray it under your arms, and it'll feel, as after it dries, you'll feel a little bit of like a powdery sensation, but it doesn't really leave any leftover residue, which is really nice. And I gotta say, it works pretty well. So I'm a fan. I would definitely test it out and see what you guys think, and hopefully you enjoy it. Next, I'm going to make an antioxidant facial mist. all you're gonna need is some green tea. So I'm using this Queen Green that we carry in my shop. It's actually a combination, it's a blend of rose, lavender, jasmine, and it's a really beautiful green tea blend. I drink it all the time. It's organic, so you can actually sip or soak. You can use it as a foot soak, you can put it in the bath, you can make a facial spray, but you can also drink it, and I absolutely love this flavor combination. So I make iced tea, hot tea. I love it. But you can also just brew some green tea bags if you happen to have that, or if you have loose green tea, you can go ahead and brew some, and you go ahead and put it in like a small spray bottle. I add 3 drops of vitamin E and then lemon essential oil. You can also add lavender essential oil if you want. Shake it up real good, and it is a really beautiful mist. I also highly recommend keeping this in the refrigerator because it's very refreshing in the summer months. You can use it after you cleanse, but you can also use it throughout the day as a refresher. That completes this video, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video coming very soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.